Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video, which is going to be such a task, but hopefully you guys can conquer this task along with me, and that is going to be to clean out my closet, which I actually do quite often, but I haven't flipped through my closet and gotten rid of a lot of pieces at once in quite some time. So I felt like now was the time to do it. So that is what we are going to do today. I have most of my clothes here behind me, so we are going to go through all of those and see what I get rid of. And a lot of you ask what I do with the clothes that I don't want to keep anymore and how do I keep buying new clothes. I do this quite often, at least twice a year, where I go through and get rid of a bunch of clothes, and those clothes I usually donate to friends or family, donate to local places in need. I actually work for a nonprofit, so I donate a lot to my own nonprofit, which then donates what is not taken to other nonprofits in our area. And some stuff I do sell on Poshmark. So a lot of the pieces that I pick out and show you guys today will be listed on my Poshmark account by the time you are watching this video. I'll have the link down below. If you guys want to check it out, you are more than welcome to. So let's just get right on into it, because this is going to be a lot to go through. So I will kind of just explain what we have behind me. I am going to zoom you guys out a little bit so you guys can see kind of the full thing. But over here we have a color scheme going, as you can see, because this is in the background of a lot of my videos. We just have like my whites, pinks, and beiges. Over here, this is a mix of tank tops, t-shirts, sweaters. And then over here we have another sort of color coordination with the darker colors. I have blacks, grays, greens, and blues here. Then over here we have like bags, jewelry, and then we have some drawers down below. So now I am cut off, but you can kind of see here we have some drawers down below, and then this section right here is a section of rompers and jackets. So back here we have some denim jackets, leather jackets, and then all right there are all of my rompers. As you can see, I love rompers, so I have quite a few of them. And then on this side of the closet I have sweaters, more sweatshirts, and then maxi dresses and jumpsuits over there. Basically, I'm just going to go through each section, just think about do I need this? Would I buy it right now? Have I worn this in the last year? Things like that, and then we will go from there. So I'm going to start with the hang up portion. So I'm going to start in this section right here, my darker section, and see what we can find.
You're a lonely sailor, and your soul is made of wind and rain, doubts and blame. I'm a weary pirate, and my heart is made of dust and grain and spoiled champagne.
Alrighty, so far we have an entire stack of clothes here from this section. I will show you guys these in a minute. Like, here's an example of the reason I need to clean out my closet. You guys might not be able to see these that well, but they're basically the same shirt. This one is from Madewell, which is probably pretty pricey. I think I got this in New York last year. And oh yep, it still has the price tag on it, shocking. And it's a black tank top with buttons all the way down, and then this is from Vici Collection, and it is basically the same thing. A black tank top with buttons, except this one ties at the end. So I probably do not need both of these in my life. If I don't end up keeping it, which I probably won't, this definitely will be on my Poshmark. Brand new with tags, never been worn, from Madewell. From the first section, we have quite a bit of stuff that I am either going to try on or just straight up, I already know I'm going to get rid of it. So I'll kind of quickly run through these. This one is just from Free People. It's just super flowy and cute, but I never wear it. This is from Urban. I never wear it. It's a cute little halter sort of black tank top. I never wear Lily anymore, so unfortunately this has to go. Same with this Lily piece. Gotta go. I haven't worn those in years. This is a Free People tank I never wear. I don't really love the way this Express sweatshirt hits on my arms, so I think I'm gonna get rid of that. This I've had for years and it's super cute, but it's very, very, very itchy. It has like sequins sewn in, and I always think I'm gonna get rid of it, and then I'm like, but it's cute. But I just need to go ahead and do it because I never wear it. I got this on sale from Vici Collection. It's super cute, but I don't like the way it fits really. And then this is a top I loved in college, but I have nowhere to wear this now. Just a suede little crop top, and then it does that sort of thing in the back. Very, very cute, but I'm not in college anymore.
But I've still got a lot to give. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come, won't you come? And say by chance, don't you want me? A man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart. You're a born survivor, and you'll never find yourself in love. You're wise enough. I got troubles, I got...
We have another huge stack here from that section. Quite a bit of items we are going to say goodbye to. We have a romper from Charlotte Russe that's super cute, very comfortable. I just never wear it. This one I'm so sad about. I actually, funny story, me and my friend were in Miami. We went to the Dash store, the Kim Kardashian, or the Kardashian store boutique, and we were trying things on just for fun, and then the zipper of my cheap dress I was wearing completely broke. So I bought this that I was trying on, which was very expensive. Actually, my mom bought it for me. I was in high school. And I was like having a meltdown because my whole dress just broke. Yeah, so I ended up wearing this out of the store that day, and it is so, so cute. This I'm gonna try on and see how I feel about it. This is from Urban. I honestly hated the pictures that I took in this, which is why I'm now considering getting rid of it. This is so freaking cute. I wore this in high school as well. And as you can see, I'm a hoarder because I just like can't get rid of things that clearly don't fit anymore, but they're just so cute. I love this. This is from Francesca's actually. This one I'm gonna try on, see how I feel. Where is this from? Altered State. I used to work at Altered State, so I have a lot of things from there that I don't wear anymore. This I got on sale because I thought I might wear it to a tailgate because this is my college colors. It still has the tag on it. I never wore it. Another one from high school, really, really cute. I wore this for my senior year in high school graduation photos. This, another one that I bought for a college day party and never wore, still has the tag on it. Don't got nowhere to wear that now. Another one still with the tags on it. This is from, I believe this is from Necessary Clothing. Another long sleeve romper with the tag still on it. This is from Fashion Nova. Very cute. These I bought for possibly my 21st birthday to wear, but I ended up finding one I liked better. And then I am gonna get rid of this leather jacket because I found one from Target last year I like better. This one's really cool because it has like this fabric stretchy sleeve, so it's really comfortable. So far I feel like we have been successful. Let's move on to this section.
You're a born survivor, and you'll never find...
See, here's another one of those situations, like I definitely don't need both of these. Like they basically look like the exact same top. I mean, they're both like just crop tops with a little bit of detailing. So I need to get rid of one of those, but I think I'll try them on first.
So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come and say by chance, don't you want me? A man who fully understands a sailor's heart, a sailor's heart.
Alrighty, another good stack here. The two tops that were similar, we'll try those on, see what happens. This one just really isn't my style anymore. This one, another like college top I'm probably not gonna wear anywhere. I got this piece in France and I'm gonna try it on and maybe I'll still like it. And I loved it for so long, but think it's time for it to go. I just never reach for it anymore. Loved this top. It's one that I keep saying I need to get rid of, but I never do because it's just like very, very cropped. This sweater I've loved for so long, but like look at the sleeves. Like why does brand like why are the sleeves like that? It's so funny. They're like so long and skinny. It's just so funny. But anyways, I think I don't know, I'm gonna try this on and I might still love it, but that's from Brandy Melville, so old. And then this one just kind of fits weird as well. It's an urban sweater. I love a lot of those pieces, but they need to go. They're not gonna be with me anymore. And yet my closet still looks full, but it's not, I promise. As for maxi dresses and jumpsuits, I don't think there's gonna be too many because a lot of them I've just recently purchased.
So I said, hey, don't you want...
So I was able to pull 3 that I know I am not going to keep. This one's just a cute little teal jumpsuit. This one is so cute. I wore this a lot back in high school, but it's just like, I don't know, it's not my style anymore. So that's it for hang up clothes. I am going to quickly like flip through my drawers of like sweaters. I pretty much know the sweatshirts. I'm not going to get rid of any of those. That drawer at the bottom down on underneath the maxi dresses is just like travel bags, so I don't need to go through that. And then over on that side, skirts I recently went through and I pulled a few. Bodysuits I recently went through and I pulled a few that I didn't want. The next drawer is leggings, and then the last drawer I've already been through as well. Leggings I haven't been through and I will go through those, but other than that we're done. This isn't going to be accessories. I'll probably do that like off camera, so you might see a few of those listed on my Poshmark as well, but I'm not going to go through them in this video just for sake of time.
Come and run away with me. Hey, won't you come, won't you come? And say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands, who fully understands. So I said, hey, don't you wanna come and run away with me? Hey, won't you come, and say by chance, don't you want a man who fully understands?
So I know it's a weird angle, but since we're angled down for the sweatshirts, I'm gonna get rid of this one. I loved this sweatshirt so much from Old Navy, but it wasn't the best of quality. It's not meant to last like a long time, and it just didn't. Like, it's pilling like a lot down here, so I will probably just donate this one. There's nothing like wrong with it. Like, it's still very functional, no holes or anything like that, but it is just pilling quite a bit, so I don't personally like to like wear it out. This one is a big one that I've thought about for years, honestly. I got this for Christmas one year and I thought I wanted it so bad. And it's super cute. This is a real like True Grit sweatshirt, so it's super nice. On the inside it has like this material, but I just don't like the way this fits, and I have a lot of other like sweatshirts that are like this Sherpa material that I like better. So I am going to be selling my True Grit. I think I'll probably get rid of this one from Urban, which is super nice. It's like a grandpa sweater. This one from Fashion Nova, I wore this in a video and I think it's super cute, but I just can't see myself wearing it ever again. And then this one I'm not sure about, but this is from Red Dress Boutique last year, and I think it might have just fit me weird, but we will see about that one. So that's all the sweatshirts and sweaters. And then since leggings are kind of in that corner over there, I'm gonna do those off camera. And same with like all of the stuff in this drawer system, like jeans and shorts and things like that, I will also do off camera. So, and then we'll meet back at the end. I'm also getting rid of all of these jeans and shorts. So a lot of these guys have the tags still on them. So like these Fashion Nova shorts still have the tag. We have like some flowy little floral shorts, crochet. Here we have a Golde, or a gold, however you pronounce it. 2 of these still with the tags still on them, so super awesome. These never been worn, tag still on. We have some boyfriend jeans cut from the cloth. I've only had those for like a year, didn't wear them very much. And then some J. Crew. So we have a lot going on. But that is actually going to be it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed watching me clean out my closet. You guys love like my makeup declutter videos, so I thought you guys would like this one as well. As a reminder, a lot of this stuff will be listed on my Poshmark if you are interested in shopping that. Hopefully this inspired you guys to clean out your closets for one reason or another. But thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure you are subscribed down below and give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And I will talk to you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.
We got something magical.